Hello and welcome into another recipe from The Journey Awaits. Tonight we're making taco soup. All right, now I'm adding a can of black beans rinsed. I like to rinse them super well. Those go in. And then a can of corn. I use frozen corn, but I just measure it in the can. So, can of corn. 2 cans of rotel. Original, juice and all. Now I'm going to take my can, and you're going to need a little chicken stock, and I'm going to fill the can up with chicken stock. Use 1 can chicken stock. Last ingredient is taco seasoning, liberally, or you could use a packet. I like it from the big container, and I just liberally add it to our Instapot. Now mix. Okay, 7 minutes. This is what I call a dump and pour recipe. Super easy, very few ingredients. You can switch out the protein. We use chicken breast tonight, but you could use ground chicken, ground turkey, or ground hamburger as substitution. All right, when we're done cooking, I've shredded the chicken off camera because it was hot. So now we're gonna serve up, and we'll show you how we serve it. How we like to serve it is with a little shredded cheese on top. And a few little tortilla chips. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you're new here, welcome. Give us a thumbs up, a subscribe, hit the bell notification, leave a question or comment down below, and you can see more content just like this. And thank you.
So this soup looks really good.
Delicious. It's one of our favorites.
So if you're new to our channel, we'd like to welcome you to come on board to go ahead and subscribe. We appreciate that very much. Stick around, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified next time the next video comes out.
And we want to have them leave a question or comment down below.
Oh yeah, why not? Leave a question or comment down below.
Tell us, do you make taco soup? We love it.
The taco soup is very good. Our children in the background. But we appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot. So I'm Reggie. I'm Reggie.
Hold on.
I'm Reggie. This ain't going nowhere. So she's Cheryl, and we'll catch you at the next stop.